Bonnie, happy Wednesday! I am back. Check it out. I got a little AVON haul going on here. I'm so excited. I got the nail polish in. I'm going to unbox these for you. And then I have from Amazon, I've got one of those nail wheels coming. So we're going to swatch all of the nail polish. I am so excited. But I got a couple of other things in this order. If you're just joining me, I am an online AVON rep. All of my information is below, including the link to order. And if you want to join AVON, it's free. I'm also going to put the link to my Beauty Geek Facebook group. I have a group on Facebook. So if you want to join my group, I'll put the link to that below. But first we're going to show what's in my box. I'm so excited. It wasn't a huge haul. I got mostly the nail polish, but check it out. I got the Fresh Fiji. These are the LG Household and Health water-soluble sheet detergent. It's so funny. I gotta laugh. I had no idea the box was this big. I literally, like in the catalog, I thought it was like this big. The box is going to be like these little tiny things, but no, this is a big box. So I'm just gonna pop this open here. I've never used these before. I'm going to try them out. So it looks like you get 2 packs in here. I'm guessing there's like 15 in each pack, and they're resealable. I'm just going to smell these. I usually use fragrance-free laundry detergent, but it hasn't been working very well for me lately. I have the pods, like the Tide Pods. So I'm really looking for another solution for laundry, and these are really neat. I've never tried detergent sheets before, so this is what they look like. They smell good. They smell like lavender. So it looks like there's maybe 2 sheets. I don't know if you use 2 per load. I don't know. I got to read about these, but I'm going to find out what these are like. So I was excited. I got something new there. So I got the Fresh Fiji. I also got, before I get to the nail polish, I'm going to do a full review on this, but I got another necklace. Check this out. I'm going to open this really quick. I'll do a YouTube short on this, of course, and then I will review it. I think this is coming in campaign 5. Campaign 5. This is the beach glass necklace. Oops, there's earrings too. I just dropped the earrings. Here they are. Oh my gosh, you guys check this out. This is so pretty. You know me, I live on the shores of Lake Erie and I look for beach glass. It's funny. I've always wanted to do beach glass art, but it's really hard because you have to drill a hole and you have to have like one of those, drills that you can do with water. But this is like really pretty. So I'm like, yep, I think I'm just going to go with this because they did it for me. So that's really pretty. I'll review this some. So that's awesome. Awesome piece of jewelry. So now we're going to talk about the nail polish. Now, it looks like it's all in stock. Coming in campaign 4, Colors of Spring, it looks like we're going to have the Glimmer nail polish, and I thought I saw, yes, the gel finish, which I love the gel finish. I love both formulas. So this is actually a vegan formula. It's free from paraben, talc, gluten, phthalate, fragrance, and it is also vegan. Vegan nail polish does feel a little bit different than non-vegan nail polish, but I love it. You know what I love about it so much? It's easy to remove. Have you ever put nail polish on and you get like a glitter and it's so hard to remove? I like this because I go through nail polish, different nail polish all the time. It was super easy for me to remove, and I really did feel like it had some lasting power. So you can see on my hand here, I am wearing, this is called Meteorite Rose. So I have this one. I like this one because 1 coat will do ya. 1 coat. I'm actually wearing 2 coats right now because I wanted a little bit more coverage. But I had 1 coat on and it was actually not bad with 1 coat. So we have the Meteorite Rose. We also have the Mauve Hot Magnitude. I was wearing this one in a lot of my videos. This is the first one I got. It's a beautiful mauve. Like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch all these and then I'll put up the wheels so you can see them and we'll match up the colors. Next up, these are the ones I already owned and tried. Cool Comet. Cool comment, you're going to need 2 coats, because anytime you have like an opaque pink like this, for some reason it can look streaky unless you put 2 coats on. I recommend doing 2 coats. I haven't tried this one yet. This is this really shiny purple. This one is called Lost Galaxy Plum. It looks beautiful. I want to try this one next. This one, I think 1 coat will do me, again, because it's like kind of the shimmer. So I have 5 more of them that I'm going to open up right now. And it looks like you get a free, this is one of those, this is really cool. If you make a mistake, it's like nail polish remover. You can just kind of touch it up. That is free, or I have to go to page 3 to find out the deal. Yes, you get a free Spring Fling Duo. With any $30 FMG makeup purchase, which includes the nail polish. So you're going to get the touch-up marker, and then you're also going to get a brush. So that's really cool that we're getting these neat freebies. Yeah, it's an eye brush. An eye brush. I have a lot of those. I'm like, I have so many of these now. I'm like, I got like 5 of them. I'm like, that is so cool, because I need some eye brushes. So that's a little freebie deal. Okay, so I'm going to open these up. I have my little Harry Potter letter opener here because it makes it easier to open because they are sealed. So we're going to dig into these. Toss the box. This one is called Lunar Tan. Check out that shade. That's a really nice shade. That's like a nice neutral. You're going to want to wear that to work. Maybe a wedding. That would be really pretty. Next up, we have, I love doing this. This one is the Night Sky Berry. I've been wanting to try this one. This one is really, really pretty. Night Sky Berry. There are 8 of these, by the way. 8 of them. This is so exciting. I'm so glad Avon has the nail polish back now. I love the Avon nail polish so much. This one's a darker one. Check this out. This is going to be your Black Hole Burgundy. Check that out. Nice little burgundy going on. They did a nice palette here. I'm going to take a picture of all these. Let's see. Next up, we have... this is the Full Moon Flush. So this is a little bit lighter than the other pink. See, these are actually a little bit different. Like I said, I'll be swatching all of these. And then the final one, I hope they do like seasonal nail polish. Like that would be great. I'm so excited. Look at this one. It's gold. This one is the Golden Galaxy. Look at this. That looks so pretty. I got to try that one. So like I said, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9. We have 9 of them. 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 9. 9 new nail polishes. And then I got to order these. I've not ordered these yet. I don't think these are available for reps yet. So I just looked. I didn't see them unless I missed them. We have the Gel Finish 7-in-1 Nail Enamel. This one does not contain formaldehyde, toluene, or DPB. These are not vegan, the gel ones. But look at the colors. There is a Mint to Be, Purplicious, Dazzle Pink, and Berry Berry. I have had the Dazzle Pink before. I use that one all the time from Avon. I loved it. And then we also have a 2-in-1 base and top coat available. So super, super exciting. And then they also have, check it out. If you like the gel nail stickers, we're going to have floral ones. Those are really pretty. Those are floral? No, they're like swirl. Oh, those are pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty for spring. So if you like the nail stickers, those are coming in campaign for 2. And then if you want to try one of the Fresh Fiji, check it out here. The wow deal on the back of the catalog is a spring cleaning done right. 6-piece set for $22. You get all of this stuff. So it's really exciting. I'll be going over that closer. But I wanted to do the nail polish haul. I'm so excited. It's funny too because these nails have been through a lot. Actually, I was cleaning. Actually, I did chip one nail and it was my fault. I actually smashed my nail. I bruised it. This is terrible. I dropped something on my finger. Actually, I smashed my finger in the garbage can on this finger. And then this finger, I dropped like a jar on, and I actually have a bruise on my finger, and it kind of cracked the nail. So I've been dealing with that a little bit. So I cut my nail down, and I noticed the nail kind of cracked again today. So my nail polish chipped slightly, but that was my fault. But despite all of that, the nail polish has been holding up really, really well. I'm so impressed. I'm hard on my nails, too. I'm always cleaning and doing stuff. I'm not a gentle nail person, so I'm digging the new formula. Anyway, if you have any questions, put them below. Campaign 4 is going to start a week from today. Yes, a week from today. That is February 15th. I can't wait. I'm going to try my I can't keep calling it Fiji Fresh. My Fresh Fiji. And I am excited. I got to talk about that necklace too. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. Links are below. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.